Most course creators only use 10% of what ThriveCart can actually do. The other 90% is where the money is, like automatically winning back subscribers who pause. Right now, when someone pauses their subscription, that revenue quietly disappears. With viaSocket, you can bring it back on autopilot. With the help of AI, we first determine the customer subscription status. If the subscription is inactive, AI generates and sends a personalized email. After waiting for 3 days, AI checks the subscription status again, and if there's still no subscription, sends a personalized follow-up email. There's a ready-made template for exactly this. Let's set this up inside viaSocket. From your viaSocket dashboard, click on Templates in the sidebar. This is the template library. Search for ThriveCart in the search box. You'll see all the ThriveCart templates available. Find the one that fixes your problem. For our use case, we're going with the first one: win back paused subscriptions with auto email and 3-day follow-up. Hover over it and click Install Template. You'll see a description of what this automation does, along with every step listed on the left. Click Install. Now follow the steps one by one. First, connect your ThriveCart account if already not. Then, select your item type. We are choosing Product as the item type. Then select your product. Click Test to get a sample response from ThriveCart. You can see the customer name, email, product details, and subscription data all coming through. Save to move forward. This is where the magic happens. AI writes the win-back email for you. The prompt is already set up with the customer's name, email, product, and subscription amount. You can edit this prompt in plain English if you want a different style. Click Test, and you'll see the email AI just wrote. It pulled in the customer's name, acknowledged the pause, and encouraged them to come back. Save and move forward. This step organizes the AI output, so the next steps can use it. Everything is already set. Just test and move forward. Connect your Gmail account. If already not, then every fields are already mapped. The email goes to the right customer with the AI-written content. Save and move forward. This is the built-in delay. The workflow pauses for 3 days before doing anything else. You can change this timing if you want. Just ask AI to adjust it, then test and save. After 3 days, viaSocket checks back with ThriveCart. Is the customer still paused, or did they come back? The customer email is already mapped. Click Test, and you'll see the subscription status right there in the response. If they're still paused, the workflow continues to the next step. Now save and move forward. AI writes a second email, this time a follow-up. It takes the original email and creates a shorter reminder. Again, you can edit the prompt if you want a different approach. Test and save. The follow-up sends as a reply to the original email thread. So, the customer sees it as a continuation, not a random new message. Everything is already mapped. Test and save. Every step is done. Click Go Live to activate your automation. Or if you want to make manual changes, you can switch to the advanced flow. And that's it. Your automation is live. 2 personalized emails, a 3-day delay, a status check, and a follow-up, all running without you lifting a finger. Now, this was just one use case. There are many more you can set up the exact same way. Here are the 10 automations you can build yourself without any coding or technical knowledge.
When a new purchase happens in ThriveCart, create the contact and deal in your CRM automatically. When someone buys your workshop in ThriveCart, register them for the Zoom webinar instantly. When a new buyer comes through ThriveCart, invite them to your Circle, School, Slack, or Discord community. When a purchase happens in ThriveCart, spin up a Notion page or ClickUp project for onboarding. When someone buys your course in ThriveCart, enroll them in Kajabi, Teachable, or Thinkific automatically. With viaSocket, you can automate a lot more. Here are some of the most powerful use cases. When a sale closes in ThriveCart, sync the customer to Xero, QuickBooks, or Zoho Books for cleaner books. When a high-ticket purchase comes in, ping your success team on Slack the second it lands. When a subscription is canceled in ThriveCart, create a win-back task in HubSpot and alert your team. When a payment fails in ThriveCart, notify the team and create a follow-up task to recover the revenue. When a refund is issued in ThriveCart, revoke access from Kajabi, Teachable, and your community automatically. ThriveCart connects with 2,200 plus apps through viaSocket. So, Every automation you just saw is linked in the description below.